How to make and create novel book cover on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account, click on create a design and search for book cover. Click on the first option, it will take you to this page. Now go right here, scroll down until you find the novel book cover. Click on see all and choose a template here, for example this one, and you can edit everything from here, very easy and fast. Or this one, everything can be changed easily. After you finish editing, all what you have to do is click here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.